there's roughly 2,000 metal casting foundries in North America. 80% of those are typically small businesses, mom and pop shops, father and son. The reason why these sand foundries have not gotten into sand 3D printing is because it's cost prohibitive. The entry-level Viridis RAM system comes at a third of the price of our nearest competitor. And as such, what we've done is we've lowered the barrier to entry for sand foundry owners to be able to get into sand additive so that they can have their own machine in-house where they can control the IP and create a new value stream of business.
This is our Viridis3D modular 3D printing engine that mounts on the top of an industrial robot. This unit provides all of the features of a 3D printer, and the industrial robot, of course, does all the motion.
We also have scalability. It's a lot easier to scale our systems than it is for our competitor to re-engineer a completely new box.
Each one of these plastic tiles has encapsulated in it an industrial inkjet printhead that are dispensing a furan resin onto foundry sand as our substrate.
Our VeriPrint software takes your 3D model and it slices each layer, and then it sends each layer to the printhead during the printing process one at a time.
You drop sand, you level it, and then you print a cross-section of the part that you want to make, and then just repeat that process over and over and over again.
And of course, 100% of the unprinted sand can be recycled. So that is, we can take that sand and we can use it repeatedly over and over again. By having a sand additive system like the Viridis RAM system, you essentially have your model in the digital domain. You can keep it on a thumb drive or keep it on a shared server somewhere. You can print that part on demand only when you need to.
The machine is, of course, fully automatic, and it can run overnight. You can start a job at the end of the day and come back in the morning, and you pull your parts out and finish dusting them off. The build box gets rolled back in front of the robot and used to build another set of parts.
The foundry can gain value from being able to offer their end customers a complete solution, with the foundry being able to partake in a revenue stream in that entire process. At Viridis3D, the foundry is our customer, but it's not the customer. The actual customer is the person who buys the casting from the foundry.